Everybody wants to have a fresh state of mind, improved mood, improved overall well-being, stronger immune system, the weight that you want, increased energy levels, better skin health, long-term vitality and quality of life, enhanced brain health, better digestion, gut health, reduced risk of chronic diseases, and so much more. And you probably know how to achieve it all. Of course, by eating healthy. And here are some tips for you. 1. Eat a variety of foods. Include a variety of foods in your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This will help ensure that you get all the essential nutrients your body needs. 2. Limit processed foods. Processed foods are often high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Try to limit your intake of processed foods and opt for whole, unprocessed foods instead. 3. Choose nutrient-dense foods. Nutrient-dense foods are those that are high in nutrients but relatively low in calories. Examples include leafy greens, berries, nuts, and seeds. 4. Watch your portion sizes. Portion control is important for maintaining a healthy weight. Use smaller plates and try to fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables. 5. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. This can help keep you feeling full, and it's also important for maintaining healthy bodily functions. 6. Limit added sugars. Too much added sugar can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Try to limit your intake of sugary drinks and foods, and opt for natural sources of sweetness, such as fresh fruits. 7. Cook at home. Cooking at home gives you more control over the ingredients you use, and it can be a fun way to experiment with new recipes and flavors. 8. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat slowly and savor each bite. This can help prevent overeating and promote a healthy relationship with food. One of the biggest issues that cause overeating is watching something during consuming food. Either it's a TV or a YouTube. Well, except for videos about healthy eating. 9. Plan and prepare meals ahead of time. Planning and preparing meals in advance can help you make healthier choices and avoid relying on unhealthy convenience foods. 10. Listen to your body. Everyone's nutritional needs are different. Pay attention to how other foods make you feel and adjust your diet accordingly. Consulting a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. By making minor changes to your diet over time and adopting a balanced and sustainable approach, you can improve your health and well-being. But how to continue your journey to a healthy body, fresh state of mind, and improved overall health? Keeping up with healthy eating habits can be challenging, but it's definitely achievable with the right mindset and strategies. Here are some tips to help you stay on track with your healthy eating. 1. Set realistic goals. Start by setting realistic and achievable goals that align with your lifestyle and preferences. Avoid strict diets or drastic changes that may be difficult to sustain in the long run. 2. Plan your meals. Create a grocery list and ensure you have healthy ingredients readily available. Planning helps you make intentional choices and reduces the chances of opting for unhealthy convenience foods. 3. Practice portion control and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Avoid eating directly from packages as it can lead to mindless eating. 4. Snack smartly. Keep healthy snacks readily available, such as fruits, nuts, or cut-up vegetables. Avoid keeping unhealthy snacks in your home or office to reduce temptations. 5. Find healthy alternatives. Identify healthier alternatives for your favorite indulgent foods. For example, swap sugary drinks for infused water, choose air-popped popcorn instead of chips, or opt for baked or grilled foods instead of fried options. 6. Seek support. Surround yourself with a supportive community or find an accountability partner who shares your health goals. Join online forums, attend cooking or nutrition classes, or seek guidance from a registered dietitian for personalized advice. Remember, consistency is critical when it comes to maintaining healthy eating habits. Be patient with yourself, focus on progress rather than perfection, and celebrate small victories along the way. Unfortunately, healthy eating isn't the same for everyone. There's no simple plan that suits anybody. But at the same time, it's good because you can be a vegetarian, a meat eater, vegan, you can eat 6 times a day, you can eat 1 time a day. Your perfect healthy eating depends on your lifestyle. If you are an athlete, you may require a higher intake of carbohydrates and proteins to fuel your workouts and support muscle recovery. dietary. If you have specific dietary restrictions or health conditions, you may need to tailor your diet accordingly. The key to healthy eating is finding a balance that works for you and meets your individual needs. It's about making informed choices, being mindful of portion sizes, and focusing on nutrient-dense foods. Here are some tips to help you personalize your healthy eating plan. 1. Assess your goals and needs. Determine what you want to achieve with your diet, whether it's weight management, improved energy levels, better digestion, or specific health goals. Consider any dietary restrictions, food allergies, or medical conditions that may require modifications. 2. Consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. Seeking guidance from a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can provide valuable insights tailored to your specific needs. They can help create a personalized eating plan that takes into account your lifestyle, preferences, and health goals. 3. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Experiment with different approaches, such as intuitive eating, where you rely on internal cues of hunger and fullness to guide your eating patterns. This helps you develop a better understanding of your body's needs and preferences. 4. Experiment with different diets or approaches. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to healthy eating. You can explore various dietary patterns, such as Mediterranean, paleo, keto, or plant-based, to find what aligns best with your values, tastes, and health goals. 5. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Regardless of the specific dietary approach you choose, prioritize whole, unprocessed foods. These are foods in their natural state, without added sugars, artificial ingredients, or excessive processing. Fill your plate with a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. 7. Enjoy the process. Healthy eating doesn't have to be restrictive or boring. Explore new recipes, flavors, and cooking techniques. Experiment with herbs, spices, and healthy condiments to add excitement to your meals while keeping them nutritious. Remember, healthy eating is a lifelong journey, and it's normal to have occasional indulgences or setbacks. Focus on progress, not perfection, and make sustainable changes that you can maintain in the long run. Embrace the flexibility to adapt your eating habits as your lifestyle evolves. The goal is to nourish your body, feel good, and enjoy the benefits of a balanced and personalized approach to healthy eating. Make sure to watch the Keto Recipes video